So we have been doing business with you maybe for more than 40 years plus now, since 80s.
Yeah.
That's why we started importing Hager from 1980s.
So I mean, it's important to know our past. So maybe if you can just share how did the story begin with Hager? When did you start with Hager?
Well, I believe you opened your office here in 1997.
Correct.
So prior to that, we used to import directly from Europe.
Right.
So this is how we started with Hager. And as you know, in the 80s, Dubai was a trading hub. It's basically a hub for trade and exports to all over the world. So this is how we started.
Because of the market was expanding and there was more opportunity.
Exactly.
I believe Hager came in 1997 and they established an office here. And of course, our relationship has grown closer after that.
So I think when you started with Hager, probably Dubai and UAE might be much different than what it was today. So how did this transformation happen from, I still remember it was a trading hub.
No, because Dubai had been a trading hub. We were exporting all around the GCC, within the Levant, within
Africa,
Iran, Iraq, India, Sri Lanka. They were the major markets for us. And over the years, Dubai has developed as a nation. There was a lot of opportunity here. Construction was booming. So most of our focus went into the projects here. And so eventually we evolved into a project-based company also.
Since 2001, this is what Dubai did, right? It opened up the real estate market here.
Yeah.
And that's where I believe you are also strong in, right?
Yes.
Exactly. So that's how the transformation started from 2001 onwards.
So how do you see you see that the market structure has evolved and the consumer behavior has changed? And how do you see that Hager and PTC working together in this domain? And as you said, from just doing a trading business into moving into projects, how has this journey been on the different product sides?
Actually, we started with your core products, which is your switchgear products, and then we moved on to the automation products. I think as Dubai has grown, the number of projects went up. There was a big demand for automated products like sensors, which I think have become compulsory also. And then we added on home automation. So that's been a big, drive for us. I think it's a new segment for us, but I think it's growing step by step. I think both smart homes, smart offices, and of course buildings as well.
Lighting control.
The lighting control as well. So that those are good new segments which we've started doing in the last 10 years or so. So I think we look forward to seeing that segment growing,
To working together for the next 25 years and more.
With extra discount, remember that.
You need to give us more discount, Shenoy. You troubled us enough today.